Today, we are going to make a magic hat that shows magical patterns when you wear it. With this creation, you will learn how to write conditions for inferred rays and how to show letters or paintings on the display module. So, what do you think you need to make the magic hat? You will need a network and a battery module for the setup module, a display module for the output module, and an infrared module for the input module. Prepare 2 wire adapters and a 30cm wire from the accessories. And prepare materials to decorate your magic hat. Before we start coding, I will briefly show you what kinds of codes we will write today using a coding map. Using the infrared module, the magic hat will detect whether you are wearing the hat or not, showing an image on the display module when you are wearing the hat and showing nothing on the display when you are not wearing it. Let's start coding. Run Modi Studio. Click on New Project and enter a project name. Connect Modi to the computer and check that all of Modi appears on the module map. Now we will begin writing the code for the hat on status. You can make the hat show an image on the display module when you wear the hat. If the infrared module installed inside the hat detects your head within a certain distance, it shows an image on the display. Thus, you should set a condition of proximity for the infrared module using an if block for the hat on code. Proximity shows the distance between the infrared module and a certain object using a number ranging from 0 to 100. The higher the number, the closer the distance is. Determine and enter the distance the magic hat initiates operation. If you want to know the distance according to proximity, you can check it using the monitoring feature of the infrared module. You can see module graphs by clicking on the infrared module on the module map. You can see a proximity value by bringing your hand close to the infrared module and keeping your hand apart from it. I set greater than or equal to 75 for proximity. This means that I have set the condition if the proximity value between the infrared module and an object is 75 or over. Based on this condition, we will write a code to show an image on the display module. Place a display module under the if code and select drawing or text for whatever you like in the condition box. I selected drawing to show an image on the display. Adjust the thickness of the pen and draw the image that you want. Now we have finished writing the code for show an image on the display when the proximity value between the infrared module and an object is 75 or over. Now it's time to write a code for hat off. Bring a new if block to the editor and set the condition that the proximity value for IR is less than 75. Drag the display module to under the if code. Select Drawing, the empty screen. You have now finished writing the second code. show an empty screen on the display when the proximity value between the infrared module and an object is less than 75. Upload data to save the codes you have written so far. Make your own magic hat using the codes you learned today. Bye!
MODI Modi